Hey, Mikhail. So the plasma cut holes, they are going to be concentric with the outside. So we devised this fixture that has a shoulder that is the diameter of the hole. And I can give you this dimension. So what we do is we take our fixture, and this is our bearing shoulder or sleeve. And this diameter here fits the inside diameter of the bearing sleeve, just like this. So that centers the bearing sleeve, and then you see the shoulder here. That will fit into the hole on the blade. And so now it's located. So we would turn it over. We'd put another bearing sleeve on here, and the same thing happens with this piece as it gets threaded on. And that's how we locate our bearing shoulders, and then we produce blades that look like this.